Most people miss the northern lights for one simple reason. They are at the wrong place at the wrong time. It's not about the camera settings, it's not about luck, it's about planning. I'm Timo Oksanen, a photographer from Finland. And for over a decade I've been chasing and filming the northern lights, from southern Finland, where I live, to Lapland and northern Norway. I'm in Lapland right now, and tonight 2 out of 3 forecasts show clear skies, so I'll take my chances and stay closer to our cabin, so no need to drive for hours tonight. Camera pack is packed, so off I'll go. This is how I plan for every Aurora shoot. I'll show you the apps and the 3 things I check every time before setting up a tripod. Those are clouds, solar activity, and dark view towards north. If one of these is wrong, you won't see anything, no matter how good your camera is. I don't actually care that much about the KP number people talk about. What I care about is this: cloud cover on windy and local weather apps, and solar wind data, for example from SpaceWeatherLive. If the skies are clear and the solar wind is elevated, I go, even if the KP forecast is showing like 1 or 2. And if the solar data is glowing red and it's cloudy where I'm currently at, then I start looking where to drive. For example, last year in February, when I did the same trip to Ylläs area in Finnish Lapland, it was basically cloudy the whole week. So I started looking where to go, and it showed clear closer to Enontekiö and Kilpisjärvi, and one night we ended up driving all the way to Lyngen in Norway. But that was definitely worth it. But tonight, like said, no need to drive that long distance, just a nice place close to our cabin. One thing to note about solar wind data is that up north you don't need much for the aurora to be visible. The graphs might look complicated, but you can anticipate strong auroras by looking at just 2 key things. First is DG, which tells us the direction of the magnetic field in the solar wind. If it turns south or negative, especially below -5 or -10, auroras can suddenly get much stronger. Second is solar wind speed. When it's above about 500 km per second, there's plenty of energy reaching Earth. It's never a guarantee, but it often means that the magnetic sphere is loading up with energy. When you see fast solar wind and DG pointing south, the aurora can intensify quickly, sometimes within half an hour, so that's a good moment to step outside and look up. Another useful quick overview is the Aurora oval map. It shows where auroras are currently most likely to be visible across the northern hemisphere. If the oval expands southward, it means stronger activity and better chances of seeing auroras farther from the Arctic. The oval is an estimate rather than a precise forecast, but it gives a good quick idea of the overall activity level. You might also see something called the HPI, or Hemispheric Power Index. That's basically an estimate of how much energy is going into the aurora. The higher the number, the brighter and more active the auroras can be. But that's enough about the data. This is why we're here. Clear skies, nice view towards north. It's time to take out the camera.